Hello, welcome to another video episode of the Medical Office tutorial. Today I have a very special video for you, and today is 1st of January 2024. This is something that you do once every year, and it is about forwarding your balance, your stock. Okay, so normally at the stores and then also at the pharmacy, at the end of every month, the system generates a report on the beginning balance, the total you dispensed or supplied, and the total that remained in the previous month. Every month, the balance in the previous month moves to the next month. That is what is done. But if you get to December into a new year, we assume that you need to clear up some mess and other things, making sure that your stock is in shape before you forward the balance manually. So that is what I'm going to take you through right now. So let's start from the pharmacy. So we go to clinic and then we go to the pharmacy. Okay. So at the pharmacy, this is the report that I'm talking about, the monthly stock report. If you open this report, you see that there is nothing on the report. Okay, it's January 2024, and there is nothing because the balance in the previous month was not forwarded. You have to do it manually. Okay, so that's what we are about to do. Let me close this one. And then you have to change the month to the previous month. The month for the previous year. So you change this one to December, and then you change the year to 2023 also. Okay, so it means that we are going to bring the ending balance for December 2023 into January 2024. So you come to the bottom of the page here, you click on this button, forward balance. Okay, so this is the page. On the page, you have the forward balance button. So forward balance from December 2023 to January 2024. If you check the bottom, there is a table that lists all the items with some quantities. You have the ending balance and then the period from and then the period to. Okay, so all you do is to click on this forward balance button. So just click on it, and then there's a confirmation message that takes a response from you as to whether you are really applying this procedure. So respond by saying yes, and then you see that the page starts running for some few seconds and it ceases. But we are not done yet. If you check, you see that the scroll bar is moving. So we don't have much in this stock. We have just 137 records updated. That is the only item that had some quantities. Okay, you might have more than that, but you go through the same process. So you click on OK, and then you close the page. And we expect that if we go back to January 2024, which is our current year, we are going to have some balance. So let's open the report once again. Good. And this time, so beginning balance, the system did not forward any balance, but we have a total received here, which is supposed to be the quantities that we have received from the previous month for this new beginning. Okay, total issued is 0 and ending balance is equal to the total received. So this is all you are supposed to do to get your balance from the previous year. Let's quickly go to the stores too and see what happens. So we can go to the home page, we go to administration, and then we go to stores and supply. So this is stores. You do the same thing for drugs and non-drugs. Okay, so let's apply that for non-drugs first. So we change the month to December, and then we change the year to the previous year, and then we click on forward balance. Okay, so we have some few items here We click on the forward balance button. It takes a confirmation. We say yes, and then it quickly runs through. We have just 8 records here. So only 8 items are available. So we click on OK, and that is done. Then we go to the drags too. So we choose drags. Good. And then you go through the same process. Already we have the December 2023. So okay, let's go through the process again. Let's just pick it. Okay. And then we go to the bottom, we click on the forward balance, and then all the items, whether the quantity has fallen to negative or whatever, it will still list it here, because if you have this deficit in the past year, you have to bring it forward. That is why you are supposed to go through your stock and make sure that everything is corrected before you move the balance. But this one is for presentation sake, so let's just go ahead and do that. So you click on the forward balance, you get a confirmation message whether you really want to do that. Then you say yes, and then it runs. So we have about 103 list of items here. So the bar will be moving, and that is done. Okay. So we have our balance in this new year. Okay. So this is a very short video and it's a very simple task, but very, very important. You are supposed to do it at the beginning of every year. Thank you very much for being with me in this video. This is a new year. I wish you all the best from January to December. We will always be there for you. Thank you very much. Bye.